Have you ever opened up Telegram, looked at your sidebar, and realized it's an absolute disaster zone of old group chats, ancient DMs, and conversations you haven't looked at in years? We've all been there. Mobile apps get a lot of attention, but if you do a lot of work or chatting on your PC or Mac, your desktop app can get cluttered fast. The good news is that cleaning house on the desktop version of Telegram is super fast once you know where to click. Let's walk through how to wipe individual chats, clear history for both sides, and lock down your privacy in under 3 minutes. First things first, open up Telegram. If you want to clear out an entire conversation thread on your end, find the chat in your left-hand sidebar. Right-click on the chat name, click on Clear History or Delete Chat, depending on what you're trying to do. Now, a little confirmation window is going to pop up, and this is where it gets really powerful. Just like on mobile, Telegram gives you a checkbox asking if you want to delete for the other person too. If you check that box, it wipes those messages completely out of existence for both of you, no matter how long ago you sent them. If you just want it gone from your view so you can enjoy a clean inbox, leave that box unchecked and hit clear. A couple of quick pro tips while you're cleaning up your desktop app. If you just want to delete a single stray message inside an active chat instead of the whole history, just right-click that specific message, hit delete, and check the box to remove it for everyone if you need to. It keeps your workflow distraction-free and your workspace looking spotless. Give it a try if your sidebar is overdue for a spring cleaning. Let me know if you run into any trouble, and I'll catch you in the next one.